is Melissa with Mimi's Treasures. We are an authentic Louis Vuitton and Chanel resale boutique. We're located in Pearland, Texas, just south of Houston. We have a store. We're open Wednesday through Saturday, 10:30 to 4. And we're also online on Facebook, Mimi's Treasures Sales and Authentication Service. And also our website is mimistreasures.com. So today we are going to be reviewing a brand new release from Louis Vuitton. So there was a vintage version of this bag. It does look very, very similar to the new one. So let's go ahead and take her out. Of course, she comes in the box. Here's the dust bag. So anything in reverse canvas is always super, super hot, sells out right away. This one's not even on the United States website yet. All right, so here she is. She's absolutely gorgeous. She is a little similar to the reversed Midas Pochette, which is sold out. About a 1-year wait list right now for that bag also. But here she is, the gorgeous Louis Vuitton Dauphine. So this bag is a really great size and it has a lot of carry options. So first off, what you're going to notice is that it has the monogram canvas, and that does wrap all the way around to the back. But on the underside, it does have the reverse canvas right here. So this is a magnetic closure. So we'll go ahead, you just pull it open just like that. And here is the inside of the bag. So the inside of the bag is quite spacious. You can see that it opens up a lot. What you have in here is one slip pocket in the back, and then you do have a rather large front pocket, and then you do have a zippered pocket here in the middle. Of course, comes with all of the tags and the booklets. The retail price is $2,870 United States dollar. Okay, plus tax. So it does also come with the chain and the strap. So I'll show you both of those in just a moment. So this, of course, is the treated leather. So this leather comes this dark already. So that's nice. You don't have to worry about it getting darker. So it's not the naked leather. It's already treated. So let's go ahead and take a look at this strap. So this is the first strap that it comes with. And you just go ahead and hook this right here. So your first option for this strap is short. So that goes on the shoulder just like that. You can also wear it like this on the elbow. Or you can pop the strap open here. And there we go. So that snaps together just like that. Now you can wear this long shoulder, or I'm 5'7". This does work perfectly fine crossbody on me, as you can see. So this is a great crossbody choice. Absolutely beautiful. Here's the bottom of the bag. You can see that it's divided into 2 compartments. Here is the side. It's nice and wide. So you also have, in addition to this strap, the chain strap. So if you're going out and you're looking for a little bit of a dressier look, this is extremely heavy, heavy duty chain right here. You can put that on. And that's gonna automatically dress the bag up for going out for nighttime. You can do it down here, but it's mostly for the shoulder like that. So really, really, really beautiful. You get both of the straps are included, so the chain strap and the leather strap. I prefer the leather straps, just a little more comfortable. Makes the bag a little more casual for everyday wear. Let's go ahead and take a look at what fits inside. We have some accessories down here that we have for sale in our store. I'll go ahead and take a look, and we'll put some of them inside the bag so we can get an idea. All right, so here is a full-size twist wallet. We do have this available for sale for $7.99 currently. All right, so let's go ahead and put the twist wallet inside. Now that does fit in the front compartment, though it doesn't close all the way. So let's try to close the front compartment. So it does close like that, but you can see that the side of the bag does become a little distended from the twist wallet on the inside. Now this is a very thick wallet. We do have over here a checkbook wallet. So this might be a better size for this bag. That's going to slip in there very nicely in the front or the back. It's not going to distend the bag at all. So I would say something like this, a little thinner profile would be great. Josephine wallet, Emily, maybe even a Sarah. Just that twist wallet has that very large clasp on the front. So we do have some little accessories here. Some zippy coin pouches. Both of those fit in there just fine. It's definitely going to fit your phone. So large iPhone, no problem. You can put that in a little zippered compartment. So overall, this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. It's absolutely beautiful. I know that it is currently sold out, waitlisted. People are trying to get it. So I haven't even seen any come up anywhere for sale yet. So you know that's always kind of the sign when a bag's been released, when you see it on eBay for about $2,000 more than retail. So I haven't seen any yet, but it's an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous bag. If you're thinking about buying it, I definitely would recommend it. Get with your sales associate to get on the waiting list for it. But it's just absolutely beautiful, and anything with reverse always increases in value. These are great investment pieces.